Que lo que y'all, what's good? Today, I'm here with a really important message. So, when you first start learning Spanish, it's really easy to get trapped in this belief that your top goal is to speak really fast or to just try to learn as much vocabulary as you can as fast as possible. But how often you get complimented, how fluent you sound, and how confident you feel really isn't all about your vocabulary or how fast you can talk. It truly comes down to your pronunciation. You could know 5,000 words, but if you're embarrassed by your Spanish pronunciation or feel like people don't really understand you when you talk, then that's probably going to keep you from even speaking Spanish at all. And you cannot become fluent without speaking. That's why your primary goal should be to get your pronunciation on point. And in my opinion, the way to build a solid pronunciation foundation is by learning the alphabet and learning how to pronounce all the different letter combinations. And I'm going to help you. That's why I'm redoing all of my pronunciation videos and turning them into a full 2-week YouTube series. So we're going to go in depth into how to pronounce everything in Spanish. Then we're going to play some games and read some books together. In case you missed that, by the end of the 2 weeks, you'll be reading books. Obviamente, you won't be able to understand them yet, but you'll be reading them. And that is a foundation for fluency.